Hello everybody, I hope you're having an awesome day today. It is Sunday morning and I'm going to cook up some breakfast on my cooking disc. I am using the Victory Lane garlic jalapeno seasonal and some other all-purpose barbecue rub. It's got a lot of really good ingredients. I'm going to put some olive oil in my cooking disc here. I've got it on a medium temperature right now, just a little bit of olive oil, just like so. And let me introduce you to my cooking disc here. It's made by a company out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, by the name of Brisket. And these are fully customizable, so you could put whatever it is that you want. I happen to have Dallas Cowboys on mine. Some of you guys know I'm a Dallas Cowboy fan, and got my family's name there, my daughter's name, my wife's name, and my name. So, and it does have a wind ring right here on those windy days so it doesn't put your flame out. But here's my cooking disc. You can get it with this 2-inch lip if you want, or you can just get it with the just your standard cooking disc. This one does have handles as well, and does come with a lid, or I purchased an additional lid for mine. So I'm gonna drop these corn tortillas. Got some jalapenos, got some onions, little leftover brisket that I cooked on Veronica. Got some cheddar cheese that we're going to top that off with, and of course the eggs. And these are called Migas, M-I-G-A-S. I don't know if you guys have ever had them, but they are amazing. So got my oil warmed up. I'm going to put my corn tortillas in there. Just going to fry these up. Real simple process. Almost get into a corn chip consistency, and toss them around. Make sure they all get some oil on them. A little bit of oil. This thing is pretty hot. You can see that some of them are already cooking up. Add a little bit more olive oil, just on top of corn chips, tortillas, just like so. So guys, I want to get these nice and toasty. Again, you want that corn chip consistency, like a tostada. So I'm going to fry these up for a little bit, and I will bring you back. Stay tuned. Alright guys, our corn tortillas are getting nice and crispy, and to this I'm going to add half an onion, just like so, and 2 sliced jalapenos in rings, just like that. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and add my rubs, my spicing. Ooh, that jalapeno spicy. This is the Victory Lane all-purpose barbecue rub. Sprinkle enough of that on there, guys. It's got a really good flavor to it. And then the Victory Lane garlic jalapeno seasonal. Put some of that on there as well. Both of these rubs are very low in salt, guys, so I'm not going to add any salt to it. I've got this corn chip that burned a little bit, so I'm just going to take that one out. Let this cook for a couple of minutes, and then I will add my brisket. Again, my brisket is already cooked, guys. It's leftover brisket that I cooked the other day on my El Rey smoker. And I'm going to put the eggs in and the cheese. So I'm going to let this cook down for a little bit, and I'll bring you guys right back. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's been a couple of minutes. I just had one of these tortilla chips with the rubs. Oh my god, they're so good, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put my brisket in. Just like that. I'm just going to warm this up. I'm not going to cook it too long. In fact, what I'm going to do next, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and put my eggs in there. Just drop them in all over the place. So I'm cooking 6 eggs. throw them in there anywhere. We're gonna mix them all. Again, I got the disc on a medium temperature, guys. A little eggshell in there. About 6 eggs, just like that. And we're gonna mix it all up, guys. In fact, I think I'm going to put a couple more eggs in there. The ratio doesn't look right. Just a couple more eggs. There we go. So guys, I want to let the eggs cook down, and I'll bring you guys back when I add the cheese. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the eggs have cooked for a few minutes, and now I'm just going to add some cheddar cheese on top of this. And this will feed an army, guys. Just like that. I'm going to let the cheese melt down for a couple minutes, guys, and then I'll take you guys inside. We're going to plate this up and show you what it looks like, so stay tuned. Alright folks, we're back inside and we're going to give this a shot. I'm just going to get a spatula full of this and bring you guys in a little closer. Look at that, still nice and steaming hot. Got your fried tortillas, your sliced jalapenos, your onions, your brisket, the cheese, the egg. I mean, this stuff is amazing, guys. It smells delicious. And again, I use the Victory Lane garlic jalapeno seasonal and their all-purpose barbecue rub. Really good stuff, guys. This stuff is not just for barbecue. That seasoning works on a lot of things. I mean, you make some potato salad, toss them on top of that. But we're gonna give this a shot. Get some brisket in here. Doesn't look like I got a whole lot of brisket. Just get a couple pieces so we can try this. Oh yeah, baby. Get some of that jalapeno and some of that onion. There we go. Give this a shot. Cheers, guys. That is amazing, guys. These breakfast migas, I highly recommend that you try them. You can use your own ingredients, but migas, just so you know, usually consist of the fried flour, or I'm sorry, corn tortillas, egg, and then you can put whatever it is that you want. You can put shrimp in here, whatever it is that you like on it. But hope you guys give this a shot, guys. We cook this a lot at our house, and I want to thank you guys again that are subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please do so, and hit the like button if you like this kind of video. So any questions, guys, on the cooking disc or anything like that, I will leave a link to the company's website so you can take a look at them and maybe order one up. Call Nevin. Nevin is the owner of the company Brisket. I highly recommend them, guys, and you can customize them. If you're in the military, whatever it is that you're into, you can customize those cooking discs 100% to your liking. So thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Barbecue. See ya.